this session we can see different types of methods. Different types of methods in Python. Mainly we are having three types of methods. Those are, first one, instance method. Second one, class method. Third one, static method. So what is instance method, what is class method, what is static method, we will see with the example so that you can understand very clearly. So these are the different types of methods we have in Python. Okay, right. We'll see examples about instance method, class method and static method. Go to IDLE. Go to File, New. So here I am creating some class. Different methods. Okay, DM something. Right, here I'm going to create methods like instance method. I said first, right? Instance method. You know how to create instance method. DEF, some display method. Display method. Within this you can write some print statement. Print of, this is instance method. Next, in this way you can create so this is instance method. This instance method having self keyword. Okay, and regarding to class method and static method, we are having decorators. This is class method, and this is for static method. So we are having decorators for class and the static methods. Okay, for class method we are having one argument CLS. For instance method we have argument cell. For class method we are having CLS argument and we have decorator. For static method there is no argument. We are having decorator at the static method. You know, in this way we can create instance method, class method and static method. While you are accessing, how we can access these methods we can see here. So first, for calling that one you need to create a object, right? obj1 equal to class name is DM, then obj1 dot display. So here we are having same method names. I can change display1 and display2, obj dot display. Got the point? So in this way you can call instance method. So I will show you. I will execute and I will show you here. So methods examples. Method example not even extension, no need to give, automatically will come here. Okay, now we can run this program so that I can run only the instance method. Some indentation problem. Now save it and you can run. So we should not use spaces also, you know that. Control S, again we can run. So you can see here instance method. So you call this method by creating a object, then by using that object name dot method name we can call instance method. If it is a class method, so if it is class method, how I can call that, we can see. I'm putting these 2 lines in the comment, multi-line comment. Okay, now if I want to access this class method, you no need to create a object, directly I can call by using class name dot method name. Class name dot, what is the method name? Display1. Display1. Okay, now we can see run module. So you have given same thing here. Yes, this is regarding to class method, this is regarding to static method. Run here, you can see the output class method you got as a output. That means without creating object we can call class method by using class name dot method name. Got the point? Now if I want to call the static method, how we can call? Same like class method only, but main difference here we are having argument. For static method we don't have any argument. Okay, now how you can call class name dot method name? What is the method name of static method? Display2. Now I can remove this one. Display2 I am coming. So now if you call that method, should give the output static method. Got the point? So in this way I can run the program by using instance method, class method and the static method. Okay, can I do all at a time? Yes, we can do, no problem. So just call that method display1 and display2. So we can call all the method. All methods we can call. Control S, F5 you can click. See, I call instance method, class method and object method. So in this way we can create instance method and class method and static method. You can perform logic also here. So the main differences among these instance method and class method and static method. So I am dividing here regarding to method call and modification and attribute accessing, so that we can see. So while you are calling the method, instance method can be accessed using object or instance of class. Object and instance of class. The class method and static methods can be accessed using class name and the object of class also. See here I called directly by using class name, right? I can use object name also, obj one dot display. I can use object reference also, object name also, obj1 dot display2. So now you can see same output. So that means we can call these methods with the object creation and without object creation. What are those methods? Class and static methods. Got the point? Regarding to the modification, instance method can modify the behavior of instance variables. Class methods can modify the behavior of class that reflects to the entire class, so with the all instance of the class. Static methods perform their task in isolation. That means they did not have any interaction with the class or instance methods. Coming to attribute accesses, the instance method can access the both class variable and the instance variables. And coming to class method can access the class variables. Coming to static method cannot access the class variables and static variables. Therefore, it cannot change the behavior of the class or instance state. Got the point? And class bound and instance bounds are, the instance methods are bound with the object of the class so that we can access them using object. It is good practice to access the class methods and static methods using class name because they are bound to the class. Got the point? Without creating object, you can call by using class name dot method name. That is the good practice. Here you can remember some points. Those are, to get a good command, the oops, first what you need to understand is these methods, this instance method, class method and the static method. Here instance method use self parameter to access the class instance. Class method don't require a class instance. They use only CLS parameter instead of self parameter. The static method neither uses a self nor the self means class. They act as the regular functions but can access through the class name. Here the static and class methods communicate and it enforces the developer intent about the class design. It can have maintenance benefits. Okay, so in that situation I can go for static method and class method and instance method. These are the some important points. Okay, if you want to more clarity, you can create some variables here and you can try to access those variables. Okay, got it?